So put the poison in your cup with just dust in the wind. Blow on by, don't pray to complications and don't ask why. If life is moving too fast, don't stop the bus. Take a look around and forget the fuss, because the saddest thing in life is talent going to waste. So take it easy, ignore the haste, cause these are the good days, these are the good times. Keep your head up and someday you'll find a peace of mind is all you need. Don't waste your time on greed, it'll blow away with the breeze. Compassion is forever and friendship's fine. Gotta share everything, the world is yours and mine. Just lend a helping hand and keep doing your time. Your day will come, you get your time to shine, yeah.